Hey guys, it's Gary Gamer Guy here today, and and I'm here just to make a video that I'm not gonna make a video for like the next few days, at least maybe till Monday, cause this cough I have, I was coughing all last video, and it just wasn't good. I might have bronchitis. I don't know. I don't know. Are 16, almost 17-year-olds supposed to get it? I don't know. My friend Alec, he had it at one point. But I don't know. This cough won't go away, then I might be fucked. But I don't know. There might not be a video for me. There's not gonna be a video out for me, like gamer wise. I might do a video where I prank my friend, dump water in his backpack, but that's probably gonna be it. So yeah. So if you're wondering why I'm just not gonna upload, it's because of my stupid cough. Cough drops don't work. Yeah, it's awful. But that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm gonna just go to sleep now. I need it. But I'll see you guys later.